about themselves. What do you like to do in your spare time?
I play golf, go to the movies and travel.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do for a living?
I work in the stock market.
Why did you come to China?
I always wanted to see the Great Wall.
What are you good at doing?
I'm a great cook.
What do you enjoy doing most?
Teaching English and meeting new people.
What's your dream?
To retire and travel around the world.
What's your goal in life?
To become a millionaire before I'm 30.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play guitar.
What sports do you like?
All kinds of sports. But I like golf the best.
What's your opinion on money?
Money is great. Money makes the world go around. Note, this question is acceptable and people will be glad to give an answer. However, it is not acceptable to ask someone what their salary is or how much money they make. About China, Chinese culture, and Chinese people.
What was your first impression of China?
I was so amazed by the population. There are so many people everywhere.
What do you like best about China?
The hospitality of Chinese people.
What do you dislike most about China?
The pollution.
What do you find interesting about the life in China?
There are so many people and so many differences from Western culture.
What cities have you been to? Where have you been?
I've been to Beijing and Shanghai. They are very impressive.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to Xi'an and Guilin.
What is your favorite place in China?
I have two favorite places in China. Sanya and Shanghai. Sanya in Hainan is the most beautiful beach I have ever seen. Shanghai is a very energetic and exciting city.
What would you like to buy and take back from China?
China is so famous for its silk. I'd like to buy some for my mother.
Do you think it's difficult to make friends with Chinese people?
No. I think it's very easy. Chinese people are very kind and friendly.
Do you think Chinese people are less sensitive than the people in your country?
Yes. Chinese people are very tolerant.
What makes you feel embarrassed in China?
I don't like being stared at. It makes me uncomfortable.
What are your suggestions regarding the development of China?
Learn lessons from Western countries and protect the environment.